Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Obviously if you click this video you already know who I am, but if you're random, welcome. My name is Daisy. You can call me Days. That's what I like to go by now. I don't know why. But yeah, I'm here with a video on how I did this look. So if you guys want to see this before and after, please make sure to continue to watch this video. I just want to say that I am going to be doing more videos. This is like way out of my league because I'm usually not a hair kind of girl. Like but lately I've been into like doing my hair again. Like it sounds weird, but like there was a point that I will always do my hair, and then I feel like I stopped doing that. And honestly, a girl's hair is like one of the best features besides eyebrows. I feel like I love my eyebrows, which mine are not done. This whole coronavirus thing has me like shook. I'm not going to do my eyebrows for I don't know how long. I might just do it myself. I have everything that I need. I've just been super lazy, but enough of that. Please make sure to like this video if you like this transition, if you like this hair on me. Comment down below if you guys want to see any more hairstyles that I do. I know I've been getting a lot of hit-ups about this beach kind of wavy hair Kim Kardashian look that I've been rocking. So if you guys want to see that, I'll definitely make a video. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm not sure if I said to like, but do that also. And let's just get right into the video, guys. What you're gonna need is a comb. I was gonna say brush. Comb with a little pick, I guess. I think that's what it is. This is my favorite. It's some type of styling cream. You need some type of cream to lock in. I have a lot of frizz. If you don't have a lot of frizz, then this will not apply to you. So you still can do it after if you really want to like have that nice shine definition on your hair. So this is my cream. This is really old. It's Razac Perfect Finishing Cream. My grandma used to use this on me to comb out my hair all the time. This smell is amazing, and it just reminds me of her. And a little bit goes a long way. It's almost like an oil to kind of get that frizz out. The wand comes with, usually the wand comes with a glove, a heat glove. So I'm gonna use it for this video because I don't want to burn myself, because if I'm not going to be using a mirror, I have a mirror, I'm going based off my camera. And it's a really thin wand, so you want to make sure you lock the ends of your hair onto the wand, because if not, you're going to have this really nice curl and then the ends are going to be straight, which is not going to be looking cute. And then I also use this Chai heat protector. Heat protector is definitely a must, even though I feel like it could be a gimmick, to be honest, because you're still putting heat on your hair. So I don't know, but yeah, it still makes me feel good that I am using a heat protector on my hair. It is, I guess, psychological. So let's get started, y'all. So the first thing I'm gonna do is, I usually start from the bottom. So for this one, I'm gonna grab really thin pieces. It's gonna take a while, so I kind of just bring that out, separate that, and then I am just gonna put this remainder in a bun right up here. I didn't even turn on my wand, and this is the wand that I'm gonna be using. It's by Kipizi. It's like a very tiny, thin, I don't know what size is it. I can definitely get it for you online, and it goes up to 410, I believe. Oh, 420. So I go to the max. I have really thick hair. I'm gonna start by spraying this. I spray it on both sides and a lot on my ends, and then I comb it out to get it like nappy free and like distribute the rest of the product. I I'm gonna put my glove on. The handy dandy glove. And now let's feel that one. It's hot. I'm gonna start by taking about, I don't really like to go really small because then you're gonna be here forever. But I take like about an inch of hair and I'm going to wrap. I like to wrap this way, inwards for the back and outwards towards the front. So now you're gonna hold that for about 10 seconds. Or a little more. I have thick hair, so. And I usually like to turn, twist, and then let's see. Sometimes they don't always come out. Look at that. So cute. So now imagine a full head of like this curly situation here. So pretty much I'm splitting it into 3 pieces. Why did I lock it? Oh, there's a lock button on the side. It locks the temperature so you don't accidentally press sometimes you accidentally press buttons as you go. And what I like about this is that you can get all the way like up on the scalp part. Usually with the bigger, thicker ones, you're not able to do that because it's so thick. But yeah, this is how I do my curls. If you guys want to see how I do waves, let me know, because everybody's been feeling that. Like I have a lot of people hitting me up like, how do I do my hair? Look at that. Look at how beautiful. It's gonna be so nice. All right, so now for this side, just kind of do the same. Gotta be careful with that. I just kind of don't even sometimes keep track of like which way I go, because it's the back of the hair, to be honest. Nobody's gonna know. But the front, I definitely make sure that everything is even and symmetrical, because I don't like for one side to go one way and the other side to go another way. So you want it to look even in the front. But yeah, I don't want to bore you guys out. I am gonna do a few more strands on camera, and then I'll just finish up the rest of my hair. All right, y'all, so I am all done. This is how it looks. I am contemplating on whether to break the curls up or leave it like this. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling it. I am just gonna go over the hairs in which I feel. So this is a curl broken up. Should I break the curls up? I don't know. What y'all think? Maybe I'll break the curls up. But I am just gonna recurl anything that is. I got the glove on the opposite hand. It's not curled. See, I don't know. Should I break it up? Should I break the curls up? I'm so confused because it looks so nice. Like this, but then I really like it this. I'm not sure. it's gonna get nappy soon and it's not gonna last. I'm just gonna pull this out so I could recurl this. How nappy it gets so quick. It's the life of having curly hair. So I actually don't need as much finishing cream as I thought. I may just end up doing like edges. I may break up the curls because it's looking like too perfect right now. Alright, so I think that's it. I think everything's pretty curled, right? There's no extra hairs. I see a few that are straight, like you see this. I'm gonna get the ends and I'm gonna try my best to curl it. Come on. This is hard using my excuse me. Alright, there we go. See, I'm just gonna curl the ones that are practically straight. That's what happens when you don't curl it all the way. It's so hard. It's okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. So now, shut this off. I am gonna slay my edges. So this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just brush this. I got white hairs. Do y'all see that? I must have plucked them. I plucked them and then I get like I'm thinking. That is the finished look, I guess. Yeah, I'm not gonna break it up. I'm feeling it like this. So yeah, that is, it took me maybe, I would probably say like about an hour to do. It wasn't as bad as like I thought it would be. If I break it up, it's gonna give me more of like a fro look, but I'm kind of feeling it like this. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments below. Maybe I'll do it next time with the curls broken up. I don't want to break it up right now. Like, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling cute. All right, so yeah, y'all make sure y'all subscribe because I'm gonna definitely do more hair videos.